Hi, I'm Stanley Swood. Today I'm here to show you the power of totally real, completely real tape. This is the tape. Now I'll show you the power of the tape. This pencil is broken. Today I will fix this pencil with totally real, 100% real tape. Here, you can't get any other tape that is this adhesive. Here, let me show you. See? You can't even see the tape. That's how strong it is. Here comes my best friend, Tapey the tapeworm.
Hi, I'm Tapey.
Hi, Tapey. What do you have to say about our product?
It's really good.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you certain?
Yes. Just please don't hurt me anymore.
Hi, Tapey.
Please don't set me back.
Hi, Tapey.
Please.
Hi, Tapey. Hi, now I'll show you our workshop.
Oh, break time?
No, sit down, stay. Nothing to see here, nothing. So, this is where our tape is organically harvested. Our tape is 100% organic. What do you have to say about our tape?
Well, I like it a lot. I mean, I don't really know much about this product, but I would pay a lot of money to say I like it, so I like it. Here I come, new truck. Ooh, is that a worm?
You can buy this tape for only $15.99 in 2 easy installments of $12.99 to get a second roll in a color of your choice. And think about how much other tape costs, like the leading brand that only costs 1,110 yen. So buy today, because I need a paycheck. Buy now for only $15.99 in 2 easy installments of $12.99 to get a second roll, plus shipping and handling.
The world's largest tape supplier and distributor has just been shut down due to inhumane and illegal workplaces. What will this mean for the stock market? What impact will this have on tape prices? And back to Bethany in the studio.
Hi, I'm Bethany. Later on this news hour, 5 foods that will definitely kill you.
And now, Farmer of the Week.